In this video we will see how we can install Postman. So let's go to the Google Chrome and let's enter download Postman for Mac and click on the first link. So we have two of the option here, one is for Intel and one is for Apple chip. So link is there in the description. So let's click on the Apple chip. Let's wait for some time for this to get downloaded. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And now I am just opening the file. So I copied it to the application folder and I am just opening in the opening the application. So let's open the application, and in this, at the first we are asked to create a free account. When we click on this, it is getting opened in the website. So after we provide the credentials or sign up using the Google, we are seeing this screen, and when we open Postman, we'll be able to view the interface as required. So before that, we need to give the name and what is the role closest to yours. So just give that, and now we are able to see the Postman. So thanks for watching. If you still haven't subscribed or liked and commented to the channel, please do.